Welcome to our channel 1 lakh to 1 crore calls. So here in our channel we will be sharing the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis every day to help you with the trade setup, as well as we will be sharing the intraday charts for few of the stocks for you to track for tomorrow's trading session. I hope you find our videos useful. Please give a like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing a simple and very effective method used by experts to trade in intraday. So here in our method, we have two steps. The first one is to select the intraday stock. The next one is to trade and trail your stock. So in order to select the intraday stocks, first you will have to open the nseindia.com website, and I'm recording this video on 2nd October. So what are this data that I'm showing is of 1st October because today is a holiday. So just open the NSE website, go to market data. Here you will find a pre-open market. Just click on that, and once you scroll down, you'll see an option to select securities in FNO. So if you see this piece, so today there were 125 advances. That means 125 stocks have opened in green in today's pre-open session, and 6 have opened in red, and 5 are unchanged. So what this means is market is likely going to open on a positive note, and it has opened 1% above the previous close. So market is a bull market. So this is how you have to assume in a pre-market. Okay, so after seeing advances of 125 and confirming that it's a bull market, so we'll check the pre-opened stocks. So if you look at the pre-opened stocks, there are so many stocks which have opened above 1%. So out of these things, we'll be picking only 3 stocks for you to help with the today's trade. So if you look at the first stock, which is PVR, so PVR is already gapped up by 10%. We are going to avoid this stock because we cannot predict whether the stock will move up or down from this range. But you have to pick stocks which are near to 1 and 3%. So if you look at the next 3 charts of top, it is IGL, MGL and IndusInd Bank. So IGL has opened with 3% gap up, MGL with 2% gap up, IndusInd with 2% gap up. So this is how you select the stock for your today's trade. So I'm opening my FIRES account. So here I'll add all 3 stocks, which is IGL. So this part you will have to do between 9 to 9:15. So by 9:08 you will have this list updated in NSE website. So just add all these 3 stocks, MGL and IndusInd. This method is very effective, friends. I hope you will like this, and most of the times you'll have a 90% success rate with this trade setup. Now you have to wait till 10 o'clock on your time. So from 9:15 to 10, do not trade in any of these stocks. So once you see 10 o'clock candle, open the stock. Say my first stock is IGL. keep it for 5-minute time frame, add an indicator named VWAP. So what VWAP is? VWAP is nothing but your weighted volume weighted average price. So what this means is it gives you the average price of buyers or sellers. So today IGL has opened in a positive note of 3%. So if you look at the pre-open price, IGL has opened at 399.9. So which is this candle, first candle 399.9. Then it made a small high of 401 and then it fell. So after you add this VWAP indicator, so you will be waiting till 10 o'clock. So after the 10 o'clock candle is formed, you will see whether this candle is above VWAP or not. If not, you will avoid this trade setup until this candle closes above the VWAP. So you have avoided at 10 o'clock and you have to keep on checking this every 5 minutes. So if you look at the 11 o'clock candle, the 11 o'clock candle has closed above the VWAP price. So it has closed near 396. So now you will enter into the trade. Okay friends, so you will enter somewhere around 396. So what is your SL? So your SL will be below your VWAP level. So your SL should be a candle. If a candle closes below this VWAP level, you're going to exit your trade. So you'll enter your trade here 396. Okay, and you will keep on trailing. See how the stock has performed. So from 396 it has made a high of 402, which is 1.5%, and nowhere your SL was hit. So this is our first stock. The next stock is MGL. So same setup, MGL. So around 940 the stock closed below VWAP. So we are going to avoid at 10 o'clock, but we'll keep an eye on this. So if you look at this candle, 1025 candle, it has closed above VWAP level. So we'll enter here, okay, at 852 with an SL below VWAP level. Then we'll keep on trailing our SL. So from 852, the stock has made a high of 872, which is a 20-point gain and a 3% return. Okay. The next stock is IndusInd Bank. So even IndusInd also, if you look at the 10 o'clock candle, so 10 o'clock candle is already above the VWAP level. So we'll be entering into our trade at 553. See how the stock has moved. From 553, it has made a high of 594. So a point to remember, if the stock is too much high above the VWAP level, just wait for it to come near VWAP level. Assume if this candle in IndusInd is somewhere near 570 or 568. So if you see the SL of this trade, below VWAP level is 545. So the SL is almost 3%. So you're going to avoid this trade. Or I'd rather say avoid, but you're going to wait for it to come near VWAP level. If it comes near VWAP, then you're going to buy at that point with an SL of point below VWAP level. Okay. So, and you're going to trail your trade. So this is the trade setup that I wanted to share. It is being used by many people in the industry, and this is a very good setup. Many professionals use it, and in fact even I use it for my personal trades. So I hope you find this video useful. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting intraday setups and chart patterns that I'll be sharing in future. Please give a like to the video before you leave, and please do share this video across your friends and family. Thank you, friends. That is all I wanted to share.